How to create and fill forms. Button settings. Click Tools, then click Forms. On the top toolbar, select Button. Right-click and drag to place the button where you want. Double-click the button to open the Edit panel. Here you can set the button, label and the icon position. Click Add Image to upload a graphic. Go to Styles to customize the button's appearance. You can set the border color, background color, text font and color, and button size. Click Action to define what happens when the form filler interacts with the button. Choose the trigger, mouse down, mouse up, enter, exit, and more. Then, choose what the button does. Go to a specific PDF page. Open a web link. Reset the form. Show or hide fields. Open a file. Import form data, and more. Set it all based on your needs. Download UPDF and try it free today.